Yes. Eric Sanandal is here once again, and I simply want to make some noise in my channel today. So let's have a quick review about the product that I ordered 3 days ago. Yes. So and it arrives today through JNT. So tools which I could probably use in car and in my bike. So for some fixing. So 40% discount, so it is on sale. So the original price is more than 1,000 pesos, but now it is only 550 pesos. So I grabbed the opportunity. Let's open this one. Let's see if this is a good buy, this is a good order or not. So packaging as usual, this is wrapped and delivered through JNT. So I don't have a scissors, so let me tear this off. So I don't know, maybe some of you also have ordered like this one. This is a 40 pieces combinations. Anyway, this is hard tools, so this kind of wrapping is okay. And this is from AIWA best quality. 40 pieces combination socket wrench set. This is 1/4 and 3/8 drive. So metric size combination set. So this one, guys, so worth 550 pesos, and let's open this now. If you want to make some comments, so feel free to drop your comment below. That is much appreciated, guys. So this is wrapped well. Let us open this way. Wow, nice one, guys, because this is in hard. I did not prepare scissors, so I have to tear this way. I have to open or unbox this way. So this is wrapped with plastic, and also still sealed product online, guys. And let's tear this plastic. Yeah. So double plastic. Wow, look at this one, guys. This is product from China as usual, and this is in hard case. So let me see, let me open this one. Oh, this is how it looks, guys. So, this is complete. Wow. And I think it's I have this 13 to 16 mm, okay, socket. So I could probably use this in replacing spark plugs. So there is an extender here, and like this one. So it's good for me. This is okay. So I'm sure and I believe that this buy is a good one, and this is very useful to me because I always need some good tools whenever I fix my bikes, and also for some simple fixing in my car. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and bell on my channel. And thank you for your support. So make a shout out to all my friends out there, the team Honesty, and other friends who have been supporting my channel. So thank you, guys, and God bless.